Hi, I'm Tony Clark, Technical Program Manager at Unified Cloud. This video series will introduce you to CloudPilot, which is part of the Cloud Atlas integrated toolset. The Cloud Atlas suite of tools support the entire cloud migration lifecycle from discover and assess, target and migrate, to monitor and report. Today, I would like to introduce one of the new features of CloudPilot, the costing dashboard. To fully understand the cost of running an application or database in Azure, you need to include the additional services required to build a production-ready environment. This could include storage, networking, security, backup, and monitoring services. So let's get started. First, log into the Cloud Pilot portal. Open your browser and enter the following URL: www.cloudatlasinc.com/cloudpilot. At the login screen, enter your Microsoft credentials. Once logged in, you will be directed to the CloudPilot dashboard. From the project list, click on the name of the project you wish to review. In the expanded window, click View from the View column in the Application Migration Assessment to open the assessment report. You will be directed to the overview page of the assessment report. In the menu bar on the left, you will see Costing Dashboard as an option. Click on this link to access the Costing Dashboard. In the Costing Dashboard, you will see an overview of the application cost in the upper left of the dashboard. Next to that, you will see App Service Costing and a chart comparing the cost of different services. Below that, you will see several costing calculators for different service types, including containers, virtual machines or infrastructure as a service, and app services. Click on the App Services calculator in the upper middle of the dashboard. This will open the calculator tool so that you can add or modify the services used to calculate the average monthly cost to run the application in Azure App Services. In the calculator for app services, you can modify all of the parameters that go into the monthly cost. In the upper left, you can choose different regions for deployment. You can select a specific tier of service you wish to utilize, including standard, free, basic, shared, and premium. Below that, you will see the instance sizing information. You can select different instance sizes as well as change the number of instances and the average number of hours you will run the instance in Azure per month. In the section below this, you will see several services that can be added or deleted from the cost calculation. Any changes made here will only impact this cost calculation. Typical parameters that you may want to change would include load balancer, Azure Backup, Azure Active Directory, and log analytics. Once you have made your changes, click on the green close button at the bottom right of the calculator. This will apply your costing changes immediately to that service. For other service types like containers, virtual machines, or databases, you can click on the appropriate calculator and make the necessary changes. In some cases, you may want to apply changes to all of the calculators at once. To access the global cost settings, scroll the dashboard down to see the list of global cost parameters. Here, you can set the number of instances, networking costs, security costs, and storage costs. These changes will apply to all calculators in the dashboard. With the costing dashboard, you can now incorporate all the additional services that will be required to deploy your databases into a production-ready Azure subscription. Please join me in future videos to see new features and functionality that we will be including in the suite of Cloud Atlas tools. Thank you and have a great day.